Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about English question paper for BSc Nursing first year students. This question paper was taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in the year June 2015. Before moving on to the question paper, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the topic. 335 is the question paper code. Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada, BSc Nursing Degree Examination 2015 June. First year examination 4YDC program. The subject is English new scheme. The time allotted is 3 hours and the maximum marks is 75 marks. So section 1, which is for 35 marks. So under this section 1, first question, they will be giving two questions. Out of those two questions, you have to answer one question. So this session carries 10 marks. 1A, discuss the role of the nature in the story The Last Leaf. 1A, discuss the role of nature in the story The Last Leaf. 1B, O. Henry is known for surprise endings. Justify the statement with the example of after 20 years. O. Henry is known for surprise endings. Justify the statement with the example of after 20 years. So out of these two, answer 1 into 10, 10 marks. Second question also, you have A, B. Out of these two questions, you have to answer any one of the following essay question. So 2A is, how is Florence Nightingale a legendary nurse? How is Florence Nightingale a legendary nurse? B, how is the Thanksgiving Day is celebrated in USA? How is the Thanksgiving Day is celebrated in USA? This also out of 2, answer 1 into 10, 10 marks. Third question, answer any three of the following in a paragraph. Okay, they will be giving 5, 3A, B, C, D and E. Out of these 5, you have to answer only 3. 3 into 5 is equal to 15 marks. 3A, how did Peter get his first flat? 3B, how did Joe and Delia earn money? 3C, what are the uses of Kamala powder? 3D, what are the blessings of nature? 3E, why should we thank nurse? So 3A is, how did Peter get his first flat? 3B, how did Joe and Delia earn money? 3C, what are the uses of Kamala powder? 3D, what are the blessings of nature? 3E, why should we thank nurse? Next section 2, which is 20 marks. Here the fourth question is 10 marks question. Write a letter to the editor of newspaper about the need to open more nursing colleges. So this is 10 marks. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper about the need to open more nursing colleges. Then fifth question, here they will be giving 5A or B. You have to answer only 1. Write a paragraph on any one of the following. So 5A is women empowerment, 5B is blood donation. Out of these two questions, answer only 1, which carries 5 marks. Sixth question, write a paragraph on any one of the following. A, role of a nurse in a hospital. B, social evils. Out of these two, answer 1. So that is also 5 marks. Next section 3, which is for 20 marks. So here you have to, 7th question is correct the following sentences, that is editing. Okay. So they will be giving incorrect sentence. So you have to edit it or you have to correct the following sentences. So there will be 5 questions. You have to answer all the 5. Each question carries 1 mark. So totally is 5 marks. So 7th question, correct the following sentences. Either Ravi or Raju have done this. Either Ravi or Raju have done this is 7A. 7B, he bowls well, isn't it? He bowls well, isn't it? 7C, he is my cousin brother. 7C, he is my cousin brother. 7D, she is senior than me. 7D, she is senior than me. 7E, the sun rose in the east. 7E, the sun rose in the east. Next, rewrite as directed. So here also 8th session also there will be 5 questions. Each question carries 1 mark, 5 marks. So 8A, he is painting the picture, change the voice. He is painting the picture, change the voice. 8B, the teacher said keep quiet. Write into indirect speech. Change into indirect speech. The teacher said keep quiet. 8C, he succeeded because he works hard. He succeeded because he works hard. Correct the sentence. 8D, he tried his best. He failed to get a good rank. Make it in a complex sentence. He tried his best. He failed to get a good rank. Make it into a complex sentence. 8E, Sita sings well. Make it in a negative sentence. Sita sings well. Make it in a negative sentence. 9th question. Here, use the phrases in sentences of your own. Okay, so they have given the phrases. Each question carries 1 mark. 9A, 9B, 9C. So 3 marks totally for this session. 9A, to work hard. So with this phrase, you have to make a sentence. Next, 9B, to put off. 9C, on account of. 10th question, write the antonyms. Antonyms for the following. Antonyms means opposites for the following. So this 10A, 10B, each question carries 1 mark. So it is what? 2 marks. So 10A is war, 10B is broad. 11th question, rewrite the following sentences with suitable words given in the brackets. So they will be giving the words in the bracket. You have to select the correct word and you have to write in the blank. So each question carries 1 mark, so 5 marks. 11A, B, C, D and E. 11A, Jyoti has a long black dash. So they have given the options hair, H-E-I-R, then hair, H-A-I-R. So you have to write which is the correct option. 11B, the judge refused to grant him bail or bail, B-A-I-L, bail or B-A-L-E, bail. Next, 11C, I will dash an essay today, write, R-I-G-H-T or W-R-I-T-E. 11D, he wears a dash shirt, loose, L-O-O-S-E or loose, loss, L-O-S-E. 11E, my students are dash intelligent, too intelligent or too intelligent. So you have to write the correct thing. For example, in A it is H-A-I-R, in B it is B-A-I-L, in C it is W-R-I-T-E, in D it is L-O-O-S-E, in E it is too, T-O-O, like that. So the correct words you have to find out and you have to write. So if you want answer key for the grammar what has been discussed in this question paper, post it in comment section so that we will post the answers for the grammar. Hope this video is clear for you all. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box, suggested end card and icon. You can watch our channel playlist BSc Nursing question papers or BSc Nursing question paper for first years for more first year related videos. Thank you friends. Keep supporting to Science Easy Tech channel.